So here we go with your rapid fire, Savio. Your favorite hair trend for 2018?
My favorite hair trend is going to be very glamorous hair, big hair, lots of bouncy curls, very sexy, very sensual. So that's going to be the trend.
Okay. One trend that's passé?
The beard is completely out and out. You know what I'm saying? Because women have been complaining that dudes, the beards are kind of coming in the way. It's not.
I second that. One quality every hair educator must have.
Every hair educator must have the right attitude and have the skill of teachability.
Okay.
So teachability is the acceptance to learn as well. So if you're training and if you're a trainer and an educator, you should be willing to learn and understand things yourself, even if it's from the people you're teaching.
Okay. If you had to do one of these things for the rest of your life, which one would you pick? Cut, color, style, or educate?
Actually, all of them, for sure. But I know you just want one answer, so
Yes.
I'll take educate. So because I'll get a chance to do everything else within that parameter, and at the same time, kind of have this whole option, and an option actually, just to work towards taking Indian hairdressing to the next level.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying, on the global platform.
Yep.
So education for sure.
Biggest mistake a hairstylist can make?
Bad attitude, you know, Mr. Know-it-all, Miss Know-it-all. You know what I'm saying, lousy attitude kills it, complete killer.
Okay. Products that you use for your hair?
I use a hair mousse, I use a wax, I use a gel, I use a hairspray. Today I use hairspray and a little bit of mousse. So I styled myself, you know, drama for professional beauty.
Right. Anything else? Who cuts your hair?
My hair is cut by Wendy.
Okay.
Wendy, can I have Wendy here please? There, that's Wendy.
Hi.
So she's been cutting my hair for the longest time.
Okay.
Gives me the looks, all the kind of different looks that I keep having, and she's very patient, and very very patient, because I'm a pretty difficult person to
Have in your chair?
have in the chair, because I fall asleep in the chair half the time. You know, but that is purely because there's a trust factor that I have in Wendy.
Okay.
When she's cutting my hair, I know I'm going to look good once I wake up, but she finds it very very irritating. But,
okay. You wear sunglasses all the time because?
I like the drama. I feel like a superstar. I've always wanted to be a rock star actually.
Okay.
And but I'm a hairdresser, and then how could I kind of still have my passion of being a rock star? You know, so yeah, the sunglasses, and it just kind of creates that edge. It creates that aura.
Okay.
There's a lot of suspense in it, and I think it's just become a trademark now, along with my black. If I'm always in black, so the glasses have just kind of gone along with it.
Okay. The future of Indian salon industry is?
Lots and lots. So you're going to have a lot of billionaire hairdressers,
Okay.
not even millionaire hairdressers. You're going to have a lot of billionaire hairdressers. Skill levels are going to be off the roof. Expectations from clients are going to be way higher. And end of it, it's survival of the fittest. So you've got to be really good at what you do if you want to survive in this industry. No more mediocre stuff. So mediocre stuff is kind of getting out of the window.
Okay. For hair education to spread in India, we need
Salon India completely. No, seriously. You need Salon India because they're creating the right platform right now for genuinely spreading education awareness. You know, and since they've been a part of Salon International as well, you know, that's been happening on a global platform, and that's what Salon India is doing right now. So the more we teach and educate our hairstylists and our fraternity, the better it's going to be for the industry, and the better it's going to be for the consumers. The
Right.
people.
Right. One person you would love to style?
One person I would love to style is Audrey Hepburn. I would have loved to style her.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't know, I just love her. That's about it. You know?
Okay. One key advice that you would give to people entering the hair industry right now?
Be humble at all times. You know, humility. You know, because we get too big for our boots at a point, and we think we know it all because we've done courses and we've done this and we've done that and we watched YouTube and all that stuff. But you've got to be humble.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the key, because the greatest hairdressers are the most humble guys or humble women. You know, and that's the key. That's the key of being a truly great hairdresser.
Great. Thank you so much for that rapid fire round.
Thank you so
and
much.
thank you for this lovely hair.
You're most welcome.